All right, hello third grade. Today for math, happy Wednesday. We're going to be going over ordering our numbers. So last time we tried to figure out which is the greatest number, which is the least number, but now we're putting them in the correct orders. So when we order numbers from greatest to least, the first thing we want to do is find the greatest number because that's going to be our first one. That greatest number is the one that comes last when counting. So it's going to be the biggest number. So then we find the next greatest number. So here I have 11, 40, 43, 99. And we want to put them in order from greatest to the smallest number. So again, I did what we did yesterday and I decided to put them all written out. So I have my ones place and my tens place 11, tens in ones place 40, and again 43 and 99. And I put them all in their tens and their ones place. So writing it out like this helps me see, because remember we start at the left and then we go to the right. So we're finding the greatest number, which means it's going to have the biggest number over here. 9 has the biggest tens place, so I know 99 is going to be first. And then look, as I do it, I can just cross it out. Now I want to find the next biggest number. So I have 1, 4, 4, so I have two 4s, they're bigger than 1, but they're the same, so I have to move on to my ones place. 0, 3, 3 is bigger than 0, so next would be 43. And then I have 4, 0, and 1, 1. I know 40 is next, and then 11. So I placed it in order from the greatest to the smallest number. And remember, it's easy if we write it out on paper and we can cross them out so we can hold ourselves accountable. So now let's go through this one. Let's put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So now the first number is going to be the smallest. So I have 46, 45, 42, 49, 42. So again, what helps me is if I put them over here like this. So all my tens place are matching and all my ones place are matching. So now we're looking for the smallest, the least. So I have all my tens are all 4s. So now I have to move on to my ones. What is the smallest number? 6, 5, 9, 2. I know 2 is the smallest number. What comes next? The next smallest would be 6, 5, 9, 5. And then which one's smaller, 6 or 9? 6 is smaller than 46. And then 49 would be our last option because there's no other ones. So I put them in order from the smallest to the biggest, least to greatest. All right, now let's do one more. So if you arrange these numbers from greatest to least, which number will be second? So over here, I wrote out a little reminder. This is first, second, and 2 go together, 3 and third go together, 4 and fourth go together, and 5 and fifth go together. So second would be this one right here, because that's 1, 2, the second number. And we want to put them from greatest to least. So I put them in order, 54, 65, 55, 45, 30. And they're over here. The tens are matching and the ones are matching. So from the greatest, I'm going to look at my tens. Which one has the biggest? 5, 6, 5, 4, 3. Well, 6 is the biggest. So now I want to see, I have my 54, 55, 45, 30. 2 have a 5. Which one is bigger? But they're the same, so I have to go to the ones. 4 and 5. 5 is bigger. So 55, and then would come 54. Now I have 2 numbers left, 45 and 30. Which one has a bigger tens? 45, because it's a 4, and 30 is a 3. So now which number comes second? Well, 1, 2, second, 2, it would be 55. All right, so take your time and remember, if you have a piece of paper and a pencil at home, it's really going to help writing out our answers and then plugging it into the computer. All right, thank you and have a great rest of your day, third grade. Bye.